Good morning there. One of the things I'm so excited and I can testify as a testimony and appreciation to the back top value Sarah is different methodology of how to mentor an individual with all the experience I have in finance, IT, operation, different countries other countries experience different nationalities. I'm telling you, I really appreciate the methodologies on how you transform someone. The way you started to out the communication through LinkedIn, via WhatsApp, the professionalism level that you maintain, and the most important aspect of you is how you transform, how you take time to learn about an individual profile, how do you see someone's future, and how do you start your mentorship program step by step, minute by minute, the material that you provide, the free videos, the free links that you provide, the book that you provide, and the audio that you provide. Typically, it's a mentorship program that I'm so proud to have attended. The 2-hour session is amazing. It takes you from where you don't understand about different aspects to where you understand different aspects to where you could position yourself to where you could do that. So to me, you have been a very instrumental person, and I'm looking to grow more on different aspects. Over the recent following your mentorship program, I was being able to find out what I should do, and I was able to secure my certificate on tax consultants. One of the most powerful tool an individual would wish to have is to be able to represent people, to represent and advise people, have authoritative ability to represent someone in an authority. So an institution like Tanzania Revenue Authority is a huge institution. To be certified with the Tanzania Revenue Authority as a tax consultant in the United Republic of Tanzania is quite an amazing thing that it's all through the mentorship. Well, the first question you ask me, what do you want? What are you doing? What do you plan to do? It's not about the company. It's not. It's about you. It's about you as an individual. I think that was a starting point. A majority of us may think empowerment through the company. Maybe a company need to do ABC, but all it takes is to do a can-do attitude. Try to do something differently. You do your work at work perfectly, and then it has been amazing. Thank you very much, and looking more to have more session with you. Thank you. By the way, welcome to Tanzania.